Seriously, why do we live? Why?
Mark, we could have went to Popeyes.
That's my chiropractor's anytime fitness.
Mark, we need to drive through Popeyes.
Popeyes chicken.
We're not gonna go through the drive-up at Popeyes, so we just ate.
We love Popeyes. We can get some biscuits.
So that's just some chance for you guys to do your foolishness, and I'm not interested in tomfoolery.
Oh, but your tomfoolery is fine, right?
You're right. We can't go through Popeyes.
Look
with Darren
at
in the
this.
car.
Look at this.
Yeah, it doesn't let you through, dude.
Look
go
at
back around.
this.
Stop complaining. Go.
Three-dimensional Rubik's Cube. Look at this. No way out.
Okay, you would have seen that.
What?
What? Nothing.
Are you criticizing
No.
me?
Oh, he was
No,
criticizing.
because
You should.
Sunny
You should.
looks
Criticizing. What are you talking about?
Oh, that banana chocolate chip malt.
Or something like that. Yeah. Where's the McDonald's at? We'll get a Sunny to McDonald's.
We should go to Dairy Queen and get some
Yeah,
blizzards.
let's go out of town so that we can go to a chain that we have in our own town, Mark. Darren, that's a great idea.
Hey, I have an
We
idea.
can't get those things.
I
in
have an
Springfield,
idea.
Can we?
Why don't I go in there and bench
Aaron,
press about
how about you
500
stop being a negative Nancy?
What? I'm not being
Everyone's
negative.
mad. Everyone wants coffee. You don't have to be insane.
Oh, I said go to the McDonald's. Right?
No,
Thank
who's
you.
being
If I
angry and
don't
negative?
Look at
have
you.
something
Who's
in the
being
coffee
angry?
family passing through my lips in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to karate chop all of my effort right across your stupid neck.
Casey's freaking out here. I'm the only calm one here.
You are the only
I'm
person.
staying professional.
Oh, you are not.
I'm being so calm.
You are wrong.
McDonald's
You are
anyways.
wrong. We could have went to Popeyes.